Hi everyone, myself Kanakaraju Velli, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. Welcome to WITS Connect. Okay, today our class is one of the important problem, that is the cap of a connecting rod end is screwed by two bolts. If the maximum pull in the connecting rod is 60 kilonewtons, find the diameter of the bolt. Find the diameter of bolt if the stress is not to exceed 30 newtons per mm square. Okay, this is our question. In this one, our given data is two bolts. Number of bolts n is equal to 2. Number of bolts n is equal to load P is denoted by P is equal to 60 kilonewtons. And stress is not to exceed 30 newtons per mm square. Sigma T is equal to 30 newtons per mm square. Okay, using these values, find out the diameter of the bolt. Diameter of the bolt, core diameter is denoted by DC is equal to under root 4p by pi into sigma T into number of bolts. Okay, substitute these values in this formula. Formula is DC is equal to under root 4p by pi into sigma T into n. Then under root 4 into p, 60, this is converted into newtons, 60 into 10 to cube newtons into 10 cube by pi into sigma T is equal to 30 into n is equal to number of bolts T2. Let's see. Find out this value. DC is equal to approximately find out using your calculus. Find out this diagram core diameter value, that is approximately 43 mm. This is one of the important problem. Let's see again. The cap of a connecting rod end is screwed by two bolts. If the maximum pull in the connecting rod is 60 kilonewtons, find the diameter of the bolts, and if the stress is not to exceed 30 newtons per mm square. This is our problem. In this problem, find out the diameter DC. Find out the DC. Let's, in this one, given data is Newton, N is equal to P is equal to 60 kilonewtons, converted into newtons, that is 60 into 10 cube newtons. Sigma T is equal to 30 newtons per mm square. Using this formula, DC is equal to, actual DC is equal to under root 4p by pi into sigma T into n. Then substitute all those values in this formula. 4 under root 4 into 60 into 10 cube by pi into 30 into 2. Let's see, approximately DC is equal to 43 mm. This is one of the important problem. Okay, let's see next. Coming to the next problem. Okay, all of you understand this one. Then find out. If you find out the DC, then use this one under root 4p by pi into sigma T into T. Let's go for the next problem. Okay, students, coming to the next problem. Okay, this is also important problem. Okay, in this one, our question is an electric machine weighing 25 kilonewtons is provided. 25 kilonewtons is provided with a steel eye bolt for lifting it. If the ultimate tensile stress steel 480 newtons per mm square and the factor of safety is 6. Find the size of the bolt. This is the high bolt, and draw dimensional sketch. This is the high bolt. In this high bolt, already we know that already we discussed last lecture. In this lecture, what is eye bolt? What are the uses of eye bolt? Actually, what is eye bolt? In this one we are using lifting purpose. There is any motors are there, let's see any motors and any agricultural motors and any like generators. There is a eye bolt is there. Lifting purpose. This is the one of the hole. In this hole we insert the any shaft. After that we in shaft or chains or any threads. We are using the use this one. We lift the motors. Okay. In this one, outer diameter is 3D. Inner diameter is 2D. Less D is equal to 20. Then 3D is means 60 mm like that, and bottom to top the center is 2.64 D. This is the standard specifications of eye bolt. Okay, let's see one of the important problem. Load is 25 kilonewtons and stress is tensile stress is 480. Factor of safety is 6. This is the ultimate tensile strength, not its strength. Now, the ultimate strength. Given data in this solution, given data is a given data. In this solution, in this one question, given data is P is equal to 25 kilonewtons. 25 kilonewton means 25 into 10 to the power of 3 newtons. And ultimate tensile stress, ultimate U sigma ut is equal to 480 newtons per mm square. Factor of safety Fs is equal to 6. Then sigma t is equal to ultimate tensile strength by factor of safety. Using this formula, substitute ultimate tensile strength value by factor of safety 6. This is 6 1 ja 6 8 ja. Sigma t is equal to 80 newtons per mm square. Okay, using this one, find out the DC diameter D. Find out the D under root 4p by pi into sigma t. Using this formula, find out the D. In this one, substitute under root 4p is equal to 25 into 10 cube by pi into 80. Okay, answer. Approximately answer is 19. And approximately D is equal to 20 mm. Like the DC core diameter is denoted by core diameter. This is approximately value. Use your calculus, find out the value of the D. Okay, this is an important problem. Okay, let's see in this eye bolt there are standard specifications. Okay, then substitute D in 3 into D like 20. Let's 60. Outer diameter, inner diameter is 2 into D 20 and 1.36 into 20. Okay, like that. This is approximately 2.7 mm. Okay, like that. This is one of the important problem. And let's see again, 25 kilonewtons load converted into newtons, 25 into 10 cube newtons, and ultimate tensile strength is equal to 480 newtons per mm square. Factor of safety 6. Okay, then tensile strength is equal to ultimate tensile strength by factor of safety. Using factor of safety 480 by 6, then 680, then factor of tensile stress is equal to 80. Substitute tensile strength and load in DC formula. DC is equal to under root 4p by pi into sigma t. Okay, and DC is equal to. Okay, students, coming to the next problem. Our next problem is the line tunnel bar stays of short boiler and pitched at 350 mm horizontally and vertically also 350. The steam pressure is 0.85 newtons per mm square. Find the diameter of the bolt. Then the tensile strength of stay material is 56 newtons per mm square. Okay, in this one, pitch is 350 horizontally and vertically also 350. And steam pressure is 0.85 newtons per mm square. Strength, tensile strength is 56 newtons per mm square. Find out the diameter of the bolt. In this one, given data is this question. Given data. First of all, at the given data, steam pressure small p is equal to 0.85 newtons per mm square. Newtons per mm square. P is equal to pitch. P is equal to 350. Then supported stay bolt is equal to area supported. Area A is equal to 350 horizontally and vertically also 350. Okay, this one area A is equal to 500 mm square. Okay, coming to the next, P is equal to load capital P is equal to, in this one area 122,500 area into tensile stress. Tensile stress is equal to 56 newtons per mm square. This is tensile stress. Substitute tensile stress 56. Okay. Already we know that P is equal to tensile stress into A. Okay. Using this formula, substitute A value into stress. Okay. Find out this one. P load is equal to approximately 104,125 newtons. 104,125 newtons. This one is P is equal to. Let's find out the D. Small. Let's see here. This is also, there are 6 bolts. There are 9 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Small d. Find out the small d. D is equal to 4p by pi into sigma. Pi into sigma. Let's substitute the sigma t value and p value. Root 4 into p is equal to 104,125 by pi into sigma t 56. Okay. Small d is equal to approximately value is 58 mm. This is approximate value. Okay, find out the d. D is equal to under root 4p by pi into sigma t. This is equal to under root 4 into 104,125 by pi into 56. Okay, let's see again. The boiler steam pressure is 0.85. Okay, next finding the diameter of the bolt, stress is 56. Okay, steam pressure. Like P is equal, we want P, then 122,500 into 556. Let's find out the this one approximately. After we go for the substitute in the equation. Okay, 4p by pi into sigma t. Let's under root 4 into 104,125 by pi into 56. Okay, this is a d value is equal to 58 approximately 58 mm.